With over 15 years of domain experience, Genius Nature Herbs Private Limited, a leading manufacturer and exporter of herbal products, was established in 2010 by Dr. Iswar Ayyappan, who is a traditional herbal practitioner in Siddha and Ayurveda. Following the traditional footsteps and rich experience, integrated with world-class manufacturing facility with the latest technology and R&D team, we produce quality products to raise the health and quality of lives of people. Village diets and cookies. The 6 varieties of traditional millets as under Ragi, Samai, Tinai, Kudiraivalli, Kambu and Varagu. All the products are manufactured with a state-of-the-art facility. The rich and traditional content cookies are produced free of any chemicals and preservatives, any artificial flavors, and is 100% natural. Benefits of Vichu Village Diets. Vital nutrients that help build a strong immune system and help in body's metabolism. Millet is said to be a healthy alternative when it comes to thinking of a healthy diet. Whole millets are said to be rich in amino acids vital for body's functioning and is also rich in trace elements such as magnesium, potassium, etc. Recommended for people facing sugar issues and weight problems. Natural millets is known as one healthy alternative to good health. Our products are targeted to bind the benefits of nature and the convenience of science to revolutionize. The core business of Genius Nature Herbs revolve around developing a world of handcrafted, pure natural products made with the standards set by nature. Our Vichu Village Diet, Village Cookie, Hillbrew brands are well established in the national and international market.